Hello everyone, welcome to Nuer Tube, where learning English and thok nath is easy and fun. Today we learned 9 common English and thok nath phrases that you can use every day. In this video I will teach you how to learn some of the English basic words and thok nath. So let's get started. Here we have this word name. Chana right queen amaka, cause yeah, we need to. Okay. Michelle now thok nath load ne entama. Okay. Now entama. Thok nath Michelle now. This is now. Entama. Thok nath chale entama. Today, number 2, and wale. Tomorrow, irun. Yesterday, pan. Number 5, morning, runwang. Afternoon, changdar. Evening, tiang. Midnight, weather. Midday, shangdar. Bigorno jin broad nyeka ketitine ko kan tiakelung. Now and tama. Now and tama. Today and wale. Tomorrow, irun. This one. Yesterday, pan. Morning, runwang. Afternoon, changdar. Evening, tiang. Midnight, weather. Midday, changdar. Choose your subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe.